When the stars are in her eyes and the sun is in her smile, the only moment in her life this happens the same time is when a woman loves a man. She'll be a mother and a child, sacrifice her days and nights, and no other will exist. She'll put her life in every kiss when a woman loves a man. And you'll be amazed how when you're stumbling, she'll fight for you and won't let you give in. She'll do all that she can when a woman loves a man. A soothing breeze always blows. Somebody understands another soul. It's like the planets ever line. Every sentence has a rhyme.